Guess you acting now you got an audience.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are vlogging again, so hopefully my life gets interesting in the next couple of days so I can have something to post for you guys. I'm annoyed, so
You even got me tripping. You got me looking in the mirror different, thinking I'm far because you inconsistent.
I did a Twitter thread and had the audacity to call me and tell me to take him down, but he wasn't with her 2 weeks ago. I'm not doing anything. This girl indirected me because she assumes she knows how I feel. Apparently to her I want attention, but the only one who cared about the tweets and the only one looking at my Twitter and going through my social media is her. So honey, I don't want your attention. You're probably gonna get mad over this vlog. It's not like I'm saying names, so it's not like they can call cops on me or something. Frankly, I want nothing to do with you, but you just can't seem to stop searching my name up on Twitter. We all have different situations, and I know I should just let it go. It's super shiny, I'm sorry. And I know I should just let it go, but I can't. So somebody please get my mind off it. I'm single, I like taquitos and going to the movies, so hit me up. So I know I haven't vlogged at all. Nothing much has happened, but Roxy came down from Rio to Laredo. We had to get together at my house, but I did figure out today that I thought I was indecisive, but there's people out here more indecisive than me, because they call you one day and block you the next. Sure, I don't even know what the I'm saying, but am I that ugly? What the hell? So it's hot as hell outside. I'm already pink, and I'm gonna go for a run, so I'm gonna come out even more pink, and I'm low-key kind of hungry, but So if you didn't know, I'm in Puerto Vallarta, and I'm in an elevator. It's my birthday tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in a vlog together with the other videos that I have. Say hi. Diola. Diola.
Hola.
Having a really good time. We went to Strana. I went to Mandala. Hi guys, I'm in a bathroom and it's almost my birthday, but it's not, and I'm in Mexico, so it's legal, but here I am. I need to go home.
You see that? I'm not doing that.
Yeah, so I just bought these tennis shoes and we're walking. So I think I got sick, but I'm on my way back. Also got an eyelash perm. I don't know if I should mention that. I'm gonna end this vlog here. I have nothing else to add to my Vallarta birthday vlogs. I hope you guys liked, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and just keep an eye out. I'm already editing my other vlogs. So thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Mwah.